What is reverse coloring? Is it just fancy doodling? By Kendra Norton's definition, the book has the colors and you draw the lines. The creative possibilities are endless. It's a new idea, it's whimsical, it's profoundly satisfying. You trace the shapes, draw the figures, and doodle over an unfinished coloring page. I'm going to be showing you how to print reverse coloring pages from 2 artists online. I've left the links down below if you want to grab that into your computer, take them to your local print shop if you don't have a printer, or just print them out on your home computer. That will work too. I just printed them out on your standard printer paper, nothing special there, and it worked out pretty well. This is all just for practice. It's fun. It's a way to unleash your creativity and get started drawing. And also, it's mindfulness, it's a warm-up exercise, and I thoroughly enjoy this type of thing. The 2 incredible creatives that we will be featuring today, Ivy Lily Creatives and Chloe Rose Art. Ivy Lily Creative takes us on this wonderful, whimsical journey of flowers, while Chloe Rose Art took us on this amazing journey of ocean splotches and abstract. First things first, I'm going to be showing you where I found these resources and how to download them for yourself. Once you've downloaded these coloring pages, all you need to do is open them up on your computer and print them out. And then the real fun begins. Our first page is Ivy Lily Creative. This is a whimsical wonderland of flowers. So I found these firstly by going down to a Google search, just typing in free printables, and these were the ones that came up. So I had to go back and re-record my screen because the first time I did this, it didn't quite work out. So this is the second time I'm doing this, but I'm just doing it to show you guys. So, and I've also left the links down below for you to get that easily and not have to do a Google search. So doing this is really easy, and all you have to do is, for Ivy Lily Creative, you need to sign up to her mailing list, and then you will get emailed the printable that you can print out. And then for Chloe Rose Art, she's found at artisticbearco.com, and you can grab that, download it, add it to cart, and it's free of charge, and print it out. Here is our first coloring page by Ivy Lily Creative. This is a marvelous coloring page filled with enchanting flowers and lush green leaves. As we dive into this magical world, let's explore the unique creative ability to doodle. So let's begin. Highlighting these intricate flowers and designs with green leaves, let's look at the flowers and these vibrant greenery that are just waiting for our unique artistic touch. So here's a question to spark your creativity. Which flower are you most excited to doodle? Will it be the delicate rose or the whimsical daisy? I'd love to hear your choice in the comments below. As we doodle over these gorgeous blooms and leaves, let's talk about the power of personalization. Each stroke and doodle we add makes this artwork uniquely ours. So what inspired you to add your personal touch to a coloring page? Is there a particular memory or feeling that guided you through your doodling decisions? Doodling over these flowers and green leaves opens up a world of creative possibilities. It's a chance to let our imaginations run wild and infuse our own artistic flair. So here's another question. If these flowers could talk, what stories do you think they would tell? Share your imaginative tales in the comments below. As we admire the completed section, let's take a moment to appreciate the meditative quality of doodling. Doodling allows us to enter a state of flow where our memories fade away and we become fully immersed in the present moment. How does doodling over these flowers make you feel? Does it bring a sense of calmness, joy, and does it bring something unique to your life? Before we conclude our whimsical journey through Ivy Lily Creative's coloring page, let's celebrate the diverse expressions within our creativity. I encourage you to share a photo of your colored and doodle artwork in our community pages, and let's share and uplift one another. It's beautiful to see variations of the same page. In this next coloring page, we doodle Chloe Rose Art's reverse coloring page. This is inspired by the mesmerizing depths of the ocean. We're diving into abstract, we're creating a masterpiece. So let's dive deeper into the calming effects of doodling as a role for warm-up in our daily art practice. So let's grab our coloring tools and embark on this tranquil journey together. Take a moment to soak in the intricate details of this ocean-inspired abstract doodle. The rhythmic swirls and graceful curves invoke a tranquility and vastness of the sea. Now let's wonder, what emotions and sensations does this evoke in you? What emotions and sensations does this artwork evoke in you? Does it transport you to a calming shores of serene beach, or invite you to explore the mysteries hidden beneath the waves? As we immerse ourselves in the coloring and doodling of these abstract patterns, let's talk about the meditative nature of doodling. It's incredible how something as simple as putting pen to paper can transport us into a state of serenity and stillness. Have you ever experienced this calming effect while doodling? Share your experiences and emotions in the comments below. Doodling serves not only a calming practice but also a warm-up for our daily art endeavors. Just as athletes we stretch before a game, artists warm up their creativity with doodling. It helps us loosen our hand movements, ignite our imagination, and prepare us for more intricate artwork. How do you incorporate doodling as a warm-up in your creative routine? Share your tips with us, I'd love to hear. As we admire this completed section, let's bask in the soothing energy that radiates from this artwork. Doodling allows us to quiet our busy minds, find solace in the present moment, and reconnect with our inner peace. How does doodling help you find calm amidst the chaos of everyday life? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Before we conclude this exploration of Chloe Rose Art's ocean-inspired abstract doodle, let's celebrate the therapeutic and unifying power of art. I encourage you to share your colored and doodle artwork in our community platforms, where we inspire and support one another in creative journeys. Let's create a wave of creativity together. This brings us to the end of our reverse coloring journey. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining us today. I hope that this video found you with enthusiastic presence and made you experience something truly special today. Give it a like if you found yourself inspired. Creativity knows no bounds and the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching.